Hi everyone, JaLingo's word of the week is Don, Don-Dadda, and Don-Donette. You may hear Jamaicans using this word in the same way you would hear Italians using the word mafia bosses or the gangsters that run things. A Don-Dadda, a Don or a Don-Donette is a well-respected person within the community. Don-Dadda represents the father of all Dons, and Don-Donette represents the mother of all Dons. This word is also used to describe the leader of a gang. So you may hear this word being used in situations such as this. Kevin, no argue with that brother there. Him a the Don-Dadda son. So if you value your life, leave him alone. What this actually means is that Kevin should not bother arguing with that guy, as his father is the leader of a gang on the turf. So if Kevin values his life, he should leave it alone. Related words include Don, Godfather, and gang leader. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.